That time, my lord, when the divorce petition came to end, we have already paid 6 lakh as a permanent alimony, considering the child's well-being.
Permanent alimony and child welfare are not one and the same.
My lord,
What you are entitled to pay to the wife is entitled.
no child.
Then what about the wife for permanent?
She is already a government employee, my lord. She is drawing a salary of more than 70,000 per month, wherein the petitioner who is not at all having a proper job, he had a business 15 years back, which has already pointed out. He has many cases in his name, my lord, because he has lended several lakhs of money to the borrowers who have not returned back the money. And since then,
Petitioner
appearing for petitions, my
Suresh
lord.
Kumar Acharya.
What about the arrears of maintenance?
Lord, we have already paid 3,70,000 arrears till date. My lord, I would like to make one submission on this end. My lord, from on the day the child was born, till date, the father has not seen the
We will
child.
not, we'll go to that later. No, there is an order. What was the order of the court?
We had to pay 8,50,000.
So that you have to first comply with, and then
Um,
you tell the court what you want. Then we'll pass an
My
order.
lord, we have
That,
As on 31st, the memo for calculation, 9,70,000 is due up to the
my
month
lord,
of
we are seeking for the modification in the orders, my lord. Now, I would like to bring to the notice of this court that already the date the child was born, father has not seen the child. Now the child is major. And at the time the order was passed for the maintenance, kindly look into the page number 12, my lord. Page number 12 of Criminal Miscellaneous 52/2016. In this case, it has been stated clearly that it is clearly observed that the mother of the petitioner is a government servant having a better future and having the responsibility of maintaining the minor child. Considering the responsibility of the mother of the petitioner, a permanent alimony of 6 lakh has been awarded. At that time, my lord, when the divorce petition came to end, we have already paid 6 lakh as a permanent alimony, considering the child's well-being.
permanent alimony and child welfare are not one and the same.
My lord,
What you are entitled to pay to the wife is entitled.
no, my lord, the council is trying to stress is that they have considered the responsibility of maintaining the minor child.
Then what about the wife for permanent?
She is already a government employee, my lord. She is drawing a salary of more than 70,000 per month, wherein the petitioner who is not at all having a proper job, he had a business 15 years back, which he had.
The needs of the children are not, they are not constant. It keeps on changing. And
Yes, my
based
lord,
on
we
that, they
agree
get
to that.
Now, what is wrong with the order? Please come to the present order.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the payment of what has been asked, that is 8,50,000. We are ready to pay 5,000 from the 5,000 per month, my lord, because the petitioner is already having his own family. He has 2 female kids. He has to look after them, and he has no proper job on his end to take care of his own family.
Where do you get that? Please come to the relevant.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the relevant portion of that observation by the trial court
Yes.
with regard to your income?
138 criminal cases has been filed, my lord, for recovery of, my lord, 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs and odd.
What is that?
For 138 negotiable instrument, he is a professional money lender, my lord, and 138 cases, 10 cases are pending.
My lord.
He is persuading that. He is persuading it. That has been, finding is given in the second
These
paragraph.
cases are not against him, my lord. It is against the.
He has not
person-
produced any material that it
doesn't
is not
have any-
against him.
This
We have
case
produced the
shows, my
material.
lord, that he doesn't
Court
have
has taken
sufficient
note of
income
it.
because,
Simultaneously, both of you can't argue. When one
Please.
counsel is arguing, please maintain silence.
my lord, this clear, as the Lord Counsel has already pointed out, he has many cases in his name, my lord, because he has lended several lakhs of money to the borrowers who have not returned back the money. And since then, he is having a very, he is facing financially, he is not able to sustain himself, he is not able to maintain his family, my lord. And
Please come to the order and point out about what is your case about the
in
income.
this, it is clearly stated that the government employee and her designation as a warden in social welfare department with a gross salary of 50,000.
Why are you going to her income about your income? Against you, the order is passed.
Yes, madam. My lord, in this, they have not mentioned the specific amount.
And then you should say that, what is your income and how is it difficult for you to pay? Just like that, why would the court grant an order?
My lord, initially, like he has already mentioned, he was financially stable.
For that, we have to look at the income tax returns, your bank statements, which you are supposed to file. Why you have not filed?
We will produce in the next state, my lord, if it is necessary to show that he's not able to
You
maintain.
should have
himself.
done by this time. Criminal miscellaneous of 2016, we are hearing 2024, which amounts you have not paid till now. No, even assuming that it is 5,000, how much is the amount? When is the application filed? In the year 2016, that is 8 years.
Yes, my lord. We are ready to pay the amount of 5,000.
But then
It is
to pay,
calculated.
who stopped you from some amount you have to pay?
We have already paid 3,70,000 till date, my lord. After the order, was on 6/11/23, this honorable court has ordered directing the payment of 8,50,000 and we have paid 3,70,000 till date.
This matter was argued and my lord, after hearing the matter, my lord, this court has directed the my lord to pay the 8,50,000. There is
8
an order. That order is violated. So my lord, she is not entitled for the relief. They have not filed an application for modification. The court has said that he has not produced any iota of evidence.
My lord,
And moreover, there is a
we are
delay is
given the
not convinced, my lord.
opportunity
There
to
is a
get
delay of
produced.
more than.
Can't argue when he is arguing. How will it go on?
sorry.
There is a huge delay. Delay is also not properly explained. I have filed the counter affidavit. Kindly look at the reasons offered for condonation of delay.
1 minute. No, that itself, 5,000 itself would come to 4,80,000.
We are ready to pay that amount, my lord. Till that amount.
First of all, pay that amount and then make your submission. Post
My
this matter
lord.
next week. By the time the petitioner
My
shall
lord,
deposit
kindly
an amount
specify
of
the
this-
amount that has to be paid.
1,80,000 by the next date of hearing. Then we will hear you.
Yes, my lord.